Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and get personal loan on Metrobank. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we're simply gonna go ahead and step into our video. So for that matter, the very first thing that you have to do is simply go ahead, have to access the metrobank.com, aka personal loan, on your browser. You can go ahead as I have done over here. So the thing is, afterwards, simply for you to be, simply tap on this login and simply log in with your account. Tap on personal and get logged in. Right, once you have entered your credentials over here, you will be able to sign in with your account's information. Then afterwards you're going to find this kind of interface, but including with your account's information on top, and you will find this option of upgrade right over here. Once you have tapped on that upgrade option, you will be able to find this option of home loan, personal loan, and then you're going to tap on this personal loan option. The thing is, I would suggest you also to check out the personal home rate as well. Right, simply going to here in this section, tapping on its rates and fees for you to see. Otherwise you can simply go to their personal loan, and now you will have plenty of options to choose from and the packages, plus you will get a personal loan calculator for you to see the interest and the tax calculate. You can do it over there. Once you have done so, you're going to choose wisely one of your plans. Once you have choose on it, you're going to simply follow the prompts given by Metrobank itself for you to confirm. So once you have verified yourself, confirm, and once you're done, you will simply get notified by Metrobank itself once your personal loan has been successfully approved by the bank itself. So that is the simple process for you to do. So the further would be, the busiest part would be the given by Metrobank itself. So make sure to do all of the steps and follow it alongly. You will be able to get yourself a personal loan. So that is it guys for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.